Hi, I'm Ken.Cooper with Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'd like to share with you this 2018 Winnebago Sunstar 29VE. It is the tailgate model. Let's slip inside and give it a peek. 29-foot coach that features a sofa and a full-size dinette directly across. Full vinyl floor right here. Notice the amount of counter space we have in the galley as well as the storage in this area here. Gosh, there must be 8 drawers right there, including a large one right there for pots and pans, LP oven, 3-burner cooktop, convection microwave oven. Good storage in that area. Now, directly across from it, a little pull-out pantry here. It gives us additional storage. More counter space right here. Notice the location of that TV set. Good for viewing. Coach command center right here. And this one features the loft bed. So I'm just going to turn it on and press the button. James, you're going to swing 180 degrees and down it goes. How about that? And there it goes. And of course up above 15,000 BTU ducted roof air conditioning. Monitor panel, all your controls conveniently located right there. Take a peek in this lab area right here. I want you to notice the size of the shower, that dual pane opaque skylight. Lots of counter space in here, good storage there, as well as in this area here. Now, directly across, large double door refrigerator. Look at the amount of pantry storage that we have here. Another big plus with this coach, no less than 6 pull-out drawers right here. Look at the amount of wardrobe storage that we have here. This coach is equipped with a TV set. Queen walk-around bed. We've got shirt wards on both sides. Nice little recessed alcoves there with 110 power to them. High-capacity exhaust fan up above. Really a very functional, practical floor plan. This coach is powered with the Ford V10 320 horsepower engine. Have a workstation right here with power ports. Backup monitor. This now features a 6-speed transmission. And of course it is equipped with a computerized leveling system as well. Electrically heated remote control mirrors. Look at this. More storage in this area. Convenient place to put your shoes when you come on inside. Now on the outside of the coach, we've got an electric awning here for you. We've opened up these cargo compartments in advance. This coach comes with a barbecue. It's right there. And we've got pass-through storage. Just a whole bunch of storage in this area, including a 1,000-watt inverter right there. Outside entertainment center here. This is articulated so you can aim it where you want. More storage down below. This is this tailgate feature I was talking to you about. We've got drawer storage there, illumination, refrigerator right here. Got a ice chest right there with a drain in it, and more storage here. This is nicely illuminated. I can turn it down on low or on high if I want. The coach is equipped with a receiver hitch already. We can tow up to 5,000 pounds. And part of this tailgate package, here is the LP hookup there for that barbecue. Ladder, get topside, clean and inspect that fiberglass roof with a 10-year warranty on it. 4 kW Onan generator, ample power for this coach. 80-gallon fuel capacity here, a lot of range with this coach. 30-amp service, lots of room to put it back too. And the dump station here. Look how nicely laid out this is, how easy it is to access. You'll also notice that the plumbing is color-coded there. These are illuminated, of course. I can turn on my water pump right there as well. More storage up above. Beautiful graphics on this coach. It's brand new, 2018 Winnebago Sunstar 29V. If you'd like to know more about this motorhome, my name's Ken.Cooper. You can reach me at that toll-free phone number below. Thank you for taking the time, and I hope to hear from you soon.